Many natural remedies have been traditionally used to address skin issues, including pimples. Here's a list of items you can grow in your garden or store in your kitchen pantry that have been associated with reducing inflammation and promoting skin healing. From the garden, aloe vera, known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Calendula or marigold, with its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. Chamomile flowers, used for a soothing tea or topical treatment. Lavender oil, with anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. Tea tree oil, known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects. Basil leaves, with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. And mint leaves, which contain salicylic acid. From the kitchen pantry, honey, with natural antibacterial properties. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Green tea, rich in antioxidants. Apple cider vinegar, with its acidic nature. Lemon juice, containing citric acid. Oatmeal, which can absorb excess oil. Garlic, containing allicin. Cinnamon, which can act as an antimicrobial when combined with honey. And witch hazel, which acts as an astringent. Remember, while these remedies can be effective for some, individual reactions can vary. Always do a patch test before applying anything new to the face. If pimples persist or if you have severe acne, consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional.